So, I was solving a Hackerrank problem, and I decided to find a solution to it, of course. So, I went to this website, and I found a solution right here. So, I used it, and I pasted it right here. But, I click run code, and I get that it passed the test case, the sample test case. Then I click submit code. But it tells me that I failed test case 4, 5, 3, and while we wait for this to load. And I failed test case 1. So I decided, let me just play around for a little bit and try to figure it out maybe, and if not, then I'll try searching it up on the internet. So I went to this none keyword and I looked at it, and I was thinking maybe that has to do something with it, because this has 3 spaces, and normally when you actually, because when I tested it against the custom input, if I copy this right here to test what the actual output would be, you can see that it gets rid of the spaces. So I was thinking, what do I do? So I go to the separator, and all I do is I delete the word none, I type in a quotation mark, a space, then a quotation mark. Run the code again, and then it passed the test case. I just jokingly press submit, and that little piece of code that I guess code, well, little part I just wrote, ended up letting me pass the challenge. Which I just thought it was something funny to share, that playing around helped me pass a Hackerrank problem.